In this video, we are going to see that how we can quickly rename sequentially all the files in a folder. So for this, go to Google, there type BRU which stands for bulk rename utility. Click on this download button. So if you see here under buy, you can see that this thing, this utility is under donate section. Bulk rename utility is free of charge for personal private use at home. But if you like, then you can also make a donation of buy. So what I'll do is go to home screen, then free download, click on this button, start download, open folder. So this is my utility. I just click and run as administrator. I accept the agreement, click on next to install it. Once this is done, what I can do is I can simply go to that folder where my images are there which I want to rename. So right click the folder which contains the files. So you just right click, then you'll be getting this option bulk rename here. Now you see that these files were created using camera, but their creation date is not mentioned. But I know that the creation date will also be there as EXIF data, which tells that how the orientation of the camera was and on which date it was created. To get this created date so that we can sort the images in sequential as per the event. So we can go here under this EXIF data, click on this extract EXIF data. So now you'll be getting this column taken original. So what we can do is we can simply close this so that these options are there now. Right click, click on this bulk rename here. Now you will be getting this option called taken original. So you sort this data by taken original, and if first sorted by this taken original, and if there are some more files for which this data is not uh, available, then as a second step click on this modified column also. Now what we can do is I just want to rename the first part of the image before dot or before extension. So for that I will be selecting all the images. So here under remove, go for crop section. Here select special, select star. So now this was my old name. The file name part has been cropped, and I want to prefix the number which I start from is they should be starting with 1 and let them be padded with 3 up to 3 digits. Click on rename. So now my files have been renamed properly. Thank you for watching the video.